Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. I am sitting on the Sur-Ron Lightbeat X because I got a cool product from Tusk that I want to show you. And this is the plug and play turn signal kit for both the Lightbeat X, and then we also have it does fit other Segway models as well. But if you're going to be riding one of these things around town, just cruising, and you want to be safer, this turn signal kit I think is one of those must-have accessories to put on here. And the great thing about this turn signal kit is that it is plug and play. You don't have to cut or splice any wires to get this thing mounted up. But when you buy this kit, here's everything that will come included. You will have your two turn signals up here in the front. What's nice is that you have these aluminum brackets that those turn signals mount to, and on the top of those brackets you can actually thread in mirrors if you have those and you want to add some of those there. You'll also have a handlebar switch, which I'll show you, I'll talk about that in just a sec. And then you also have your rear light, which is going to be your tail light, brake light, and your turn signal all in one. So here's what's awesome about this. Once I am riding, so you've got your turn signals right and left, but what's cool about the headlight is that normally in stock trim, when you turn your Sur-Ron on, the headlight's always going to be on. But with this switch, now I can control if I want that on or off. Another cool piece to this is what we call the pass button. I can sit here and just use my thumb and press it to flash the light. So if you want to be more visible, if there's a car coming and you want to flash your light just so they can see you better, it allows you to do that. So it gives you a lot of cool functionality, and it's going to make you safer when you're out there riding and having a good time. So again, plug and play, easy to install, comes with everything that I just talked about. If you do have questions or comments about it, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. And to grab this and also see all the other cool products that Tusk has for the Sur-Ron Lightbeat X, click the link or head to RockyMountain-ATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. And if you want to stay up to date on cool products like this, get subscribed to our YouTube channel. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.